We're gonna learn now to do some chicken soup. The original recipe is from Canja, from Portugal, but it's nice for those days that you want to just chill or you don't feel like doing nothing, and it's flavored with chicken and it's very healthy too. Then let's see which ingredients you're going to use today to do the chicken soup. Then you're going to use garlic, onions again, more or less 2 medium onions, is going to be fine. Okay, you're going to use some rice, chicken, 1 tomato. The chicken you can choose to do legs, or if you want to do like pieces of different, you just choose what you prefer. I prefer like do it wings, but you choose what you prefer better. We're gonna use a stock. You can just choose veggies or a chicken one. Salt, chopped tomato, parsley and olive oil. As always, I recommend you to start with it in the minimal as possible. Then you have time to do everything. Cover the bottom of the pan with olive oil to that soft spots, and we're gonna put the garlic and the onions inside. This one you don't have to wait until it starts to really get it brown, then it's just a tiny bit and you can put straight the meat inside. Just spread it nice, yeah, inside, and you let it start to. Now just let it cook like that. Okay, just mix it, check it time to time, is everything okay. If you have your heat in the medium or in the minimal, it's gonna be alright. Just check it so it don't burn, and you cover and let it cook. And put some salt on it and let it cook a bit until it's well cooked. Now we're gonna check if it's okay. Yeah, it's looking cooked, and we're gonna put the pieces of the stock. I just do this because it's better. Sometimes you eat in these pieces everywhere. Yeah, some stocks is better than others. If you prefer to use the ones that is more liquid, then this one is alright. And I'm gonna put a tiny bit, like a quarter of the can, and mix it all together and let it just pick the flavor, and we're gonna go to the next step. And now we're gonna mix it. Just be careful with the bottom of the pan. Sometimes can be like gravel pieces and you want everything well mixed. And put boiled water already. For this you can use all kettle too. You have the sauce getting all ready, then it's going to be mixed up. During this process, if you want to put a tiny bit of more salt, I recommend it. Big pearls can be needed. Just mix it well, and now you can put the heat more high on the maximal because you need it. Put more salt because you put more water than you need it, and cover it. Put the heat the maximum and let it still to boil. Then when it's starting to boil, we put the rice in. Now it's boiling, it's nice. I taste how the salt is perfect. You're gonna put the rice inside. You can wash it or not as you prefer, and put some stock. Again, try to squeeze it. That is a hard stock, sorry. There you go. Now we're gonna use some parsley. It's gonna bring all the flavors together, and mix it all well. And you can keep on the boiling like it is. It's perfect. You don't have to put in a minimal because it's gonna cook more faster, and it's nearly done. And the chicken soup is ready to serve. Just turn off the heat and serve and enjoy it.